What's up, y'all? Today I'm going back to school. I'm moving in today. I'm packing up. I got some clothes packed away. I got all my stuff that I need to take over. I'm going back for the spring semester. Oh, and yeah, I just got a haircut. It's about to be 3 and I have to leave soon because it is also me and my girlfriend's 1-year anniversary today. We're going to Fogo de Chao. Today it's supposed to start the snowstorm and hopefully we leave dinner before it starts snowing bad. But it's already so cold outside. Follow me along as I move back into my apartment. Since I'm moving back, I have to make sure I bring all my camera equipment and stuff. I plan to do promotional videos for a gym over there, or at least I'm gonna try to do it. Baltimore has a big boxing scene and I know a few gyms around there, so I definitely wanna see what I can do. I am gonna miss being home. I like being home with my parents, and like my room changed a lot. I got a new bed and it's so comfortable compared to the bed at school, bro. That is just springs and a plastic sheet, and I don't have a mattress topper. I probably should get one, but that bed is so uncomfortable compared to my bed is a mess right now, but once I clean it up I'll show it. I have another load of laundry left and that I just put it in, so it's probably gonna be a little while before I leave. Probably gonna get there around 5. I definitely gotta bring these with me. These are fire just to have around. I gotta fix my bed real quick. I should be leaving in the next hour. This is my bed. As you can see, it looks very comfy. I really am gonna miss this bed. Can't forget my laptop. And my chargers, I can't forget. I think I'm gonna take this blanket actually. I need to start moving stuff into my car. Yeah. School stuff and camera stuff, laundry, boxing. I gotta bring some of my shoes with me. I don't have my keys up. Went upstairs and I got the rest of my stuff. Alright, right. I also need to bring in water with me. In college, buying water has not been an issue for me because I get free water. I forgot that in my trunk. But groceries. Yeah, I already packed. I got almost everything. Unfortunately, I'm starting to feel like I'm getting a cold, which sucks because school is about to start, but hopefully it's not too bad. And you know, all the time when you go back to school, you always get sick during like the first few weeks of school. While I'm waiting for my clothes to finish in the dryer, I recorded a TikTok doing my skincare. It's like behind the scenes of what I do for TikToks, but let's see. Whenever I start, I always say sup y'all. I probably said it in the beginning of the video too. Sup y'all, I'm doing my skincare routine. Just like that, that's how I get started. Whenever I do my skincare videos, I try not to focus on the skincare because then it's just gonna get repetitive. So I started just talking about myself or what I'm doing. Today is the 6th day of doing my skincare. This is the newest, This is the newest soothing toner. My skincare. This is the newest soothing toner. Make sure to slap it onto your face. Pause. Don't say that. With toners, make sure to pat it onto your face. That's better. With toners, make sure. Probably takes about 5 minutes for each of these skincare ones, but this one wasn't that long, only 30 seconds. And you gotta add some music. What's up, y'all? I'm doing my skincare routine. Today is the 6th day. That's how I do those TikToks. Now I'm just like gonna chill. Just wait for the clothes. I got some.
I may have told this story before, but fuck it. Tony, do you miss the social part of high school?
My girlfriend taught me to start folding clothes like this because save more space. Just gonna put all my stuff away. I'm heading out now. It's 5:30. I'm gonna get there kind of late. I just made it back. I have so much stuff to bring in, but I don't have time to bring it all in because we have to go to our reservation soon. So I'm gonna just bring a few things in and then we gotta go. Oh, made it back. It's the next day where I left off. The last clip, I'm pretty sure I was bringing some stuff in and then I had to go to dinner. I put some stuff away when I got back from dinner. So most of my stuff is already gone. I put my clothes away, I put my groceries away, and basically I'm just gonna clean the rest of my room. As y'all know, I've been talking about how there's gonna be a big storm coming, a big snowstorm, and basically just look outside. I'm gonna keep outside in the snow. I wish I could go outside, but I think I said it earlier that I'm starting to feel sick, so going outside probably wouldn't be the best option. I definitely would wanna, I guess, play in the snow. I wanna play in the snow, but I don't wanna get worse. Don't mind. I already put my skincare and stuff, cleaned my side of the sink. I put everything on this side, so whenever I record my my skincare stuff, I usually put my tripod right here. We're washing dishes now.
I know.
Yeah, it's only 6 hours. You know, whenever recording, it makes things feel more like productive. I don't know why.
Because someone's watching.
Yeah, no one's watching.
Actually, funny you say that because that is literally true. That's like yapping. I just started sounding like a nerd.
Oh,
I
want to hear it.
No, I was about to say biopsychology, like industrial. The class I took, organizational psychology. It's about like the workplace, right? And they did a study that they were trying to see if like dimming the lights or like lights if they affect like the workers and make them more productive, like brighter lighting. It wasn't because of the lights, but they found it was whenever a management person was there, they were more productive because somebody was watching it. So when other people were there watching them, they felt more productive. And they actually performed better.
I didn't know that.
Fact of the day.
Hey. Now we're just watching. Oh, wrong way. And then in a little bit, we're gonna make spaghetti and meatballs. So keep watching. Like and subscribe. Alright, we just finished watching a few episodes of One Piece. Spoiler alert if you don't want to, just skip ahead if you don't want to hear it. But right now we're at Thriller Bark. We watched, where were we at? We're at episode 353 and Luffy got captured and got turned into ores. Alright, so we're making spaghetti and meatballs. Should I show the bananas? With
Protein.
I burned my hand a little bit. I missed it. You need the trash can.
No. Oh my god, I actually got my phone. Gotta get the first. We have to spice it up.
Store-bought is definitely, it's better to make it yourself.
No, for sure. But this is,
I need to learn, yeah.
This is the snowstorm. So it's gonna be.
I love this of this universe. See you, I say mine.
You know,
Like the world before.
my dad has bad luck with
There's a fire in my
What?
he always like spills stuff.
Really?
I
It's funny. It's like a inside joke that my mom and my son. We're gonna add the finishing touches. The finishing touch of parsley.
We're just like
Faith is all I have.
yeah, that was it.
All I